Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a dairy-free and sugar-free, nutrient-rich overnight oats recipe for weight loss. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my small cast iron pan, and into that I'm adding in 3 tablespoons or 20 grams of old-fashioned rolled oats, and I'm lightly roasting the old-fashioned rolled oats. Grains like oats contains phytates which inhibits nutrient absorption and also may cause digestive issues like bloating, gas or indigestion when consuming oats. So it's always ideal to either soak the oats before using them or roast the oats. And once the oats are lightly roasted and you start to see steam coming out from the pan, transfer the oats to another plate and allow the oats to cool down completely. While the oats are cooling down, I'm getting ready the other ingredients. This is 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds overnight soaked. For sweetness, I have soaked overnight 4 to 5 black raisins. To make the dairy-free almond milk, I have soaked a handful or about 7 to 8 almonds overnight. It's always ideal to soak nuts and seeds overnight to help in better nutrient absorption and also to help with good digestion. Add the soaked and peeled almonds into the blender jar. Making homemade almond milk is so easy. It just takes a little preparation of soaking the almonds. So once you have overnight soaked almonds, it's super easy to make almond milk at home. Into this I'm adding in 1 cup of water and I'm going to blend this really well. See how easy it is to make homemade almond milk. You need just 2 ingredients, that is overnight soaked and peeled almonds and water to make fresh homemade almond milk. I'm adding the almond milk into a bowl. Into this I'm adding in 2 tablespoons chia seeds. Chia seeds are a good source of protein, fiber and omega-3 healthy fats. Next I'm adding in 1 tablespoon homemade vegan curd. If you don't have any intolerance to dairy milk curd, you can use dairy milk curd instead. Give this a good mix. Add in the roasted and cooled oats. For sweetness, I'm adding in the soaked black raisins. Instead of black raisins, you can also use dates. I'm going to give this all a good mix. Overnight oats is a good source of resistant starch. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of resistant starch and how resistant starch helps in weight loss and in gut health. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out to understand more about resistant starch. For flavor, I'm adding in freshly ground cinnamon powder. It's about 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon not only gives an amazing flavor but also helps to boost your metabolism. And once everything is nicely mixed, cover it with a lid and refrigerate it overnight or for at least 2 hours. The next day morning or after about 2 hours, the overnight oats is out of the refrigerator and it's ready to serve. I'm topping the oats with chopped apples. Apples are in season, hence I'm using apple. However, you can use any seasonal fruit of your choice. And lastly, I'm sprinkling in the overnight soaked pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc. And my super healthy apple overnight oats is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy apple overnight oats and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.